in this life that is bad. I'm not walking by myself. See my brother next to me. We don't care what we'll be.
He's going to give us our blessing. We have Eitan to bless us, our Jewish family, and we have our pastor.
So prophetically that you would increase them, and we're believing that you're going to connect them with people that they would never have thought possible, because your hand is on it and your blessing.
I'm walking alone again, 'cause I'm still walking with my friends. I play this song with my hands.